Hey everybody, I'm gonna show you how to make some amazing pork belly lollipops, right? In your Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle. You guys are gonna stick around for this one for sure. What's up everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Listen, I appreciate you being here and taking the time to watch these awesome videos that I do for you because I care, because I love you. That's right. Anyway, so like I said, we're gonna do some pork belly lollipops, okay? When you see these, it's mostly in barbecue, out on the grill or whatever. But you know, I like to bring the outdoors in, and I like to show you how to do barbecue type cooks in your foodie grill so you can stay indoors with air conditioning like Mother Nature intended, right? Exactly. Before we get started on this though, I do have to say one thing. Make sure you please hit that red subscribe button and that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. I want to get there by the end of the year. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up too, because you know this is gonna be good. And speaking of barbecue recipes in the Foodie Grill, I actually did a cookbook on barbecue recipes in the Foodie Grill. And I will put a link down below for that too. Check it out. I will also have a link to the website with the ingredients, the prep, nice word from your boy on the website. So check that out. Hit show more underneath the video. Cool. All right, let's get started. We have a nice uncured, come down here, pork belly. There you go, pork belly from Porter Road. Beautiful, beautiful. And it just so happens that Porter Road is the sponsor of today's video. Make sure you roll that footage. Team, have you found it difficult to find high quality meat locally? Well, Porter Road's got you covered. Porter Road is an online butcher shop that delivers high quality meat directly to your door. They offer a wide variety of dry aged beef, pork, and chicken, including rare butcher's cuts, and hand cut each steak and chop to produce cuts you won't find in the grocery store. When visiting Porter Road online, shop like you would at your local butcher. You can order items a la carte, but Porter Road also offers a subscription box that you can check out. If you're interested in checking out Porter Road, click that link down below underneath the video description, sign up for their email, and get 10% off your first order, and tell them CJ sent you. All right, so nothing left to do but get to it, okay? Got a nice little pork belly here. It's 3 pounds. We're gonna use probably 2/3 of it, okay? We're gonna try to make 8 skewers, or lollipops, if you will. The first part of it, though, is getting it cut up, getting it seasoned, then we're gonna get it wrapped in some foil and get it braised. Okay, with the pork belly, you want to go ahead and get a nice braise on them, get it nice and tender. And then what we're going to do is then grill it off with a little barbecue sauce, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so first thing what I do is get it braising. It'll take about 45 minutes or so, and then we'll be able to start grilling it up. Okay, y'all come on down to Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Ow, that hurt. Jesus. All right, y'all, we're on the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, and we're gonna carve up this pork belly. Now, you can see down here, if you come down, you can see that it thins out. So we want a nice little thick part right there that we can put on the skewers. So we're gonna go ahead and follow this little seam and cut this big boy off right here to put on the skewers, and then we'll save this for another cook, okay? The first thing we do is just kind of slice it down. Like I said, we'll save this for later. Now you want to cut probably about 1/2 inch or so, give or take. So you can see it. It's got a nice enough room to get on that skewer. Just cut real slow like. All right. And you got something you could put the skewer through. One pro tip you might want to do that I did not do was put your pork belly in the freezer so it cuts a little easier. You know, luckily I have a pretty sharp knife and it's not going to get too squirrely on me, but it's good to have it nice and frozen. And if you're interested in this knife that my director over here brought up, there'll be a link in the description for my Doll Strong link. You use that link, it saves you 10%, and it helps out your boy. All right, we're going with 8 skewers today. So this is probably about 1.5 pounds worth of pork belly. Now we're gonna go ahead and get these skewered up. Skewered. So we're gonna take it and just kind of funnel the skewer through. We're gonna take it and funnel the skewer through. Try not to stab yourself. You may have to steady yourself a little bit with it. Get it through like the thicker tendon parts here. Okay, we got one. See if I could do another one without piercing myself. All right, team, we got our pork belly skewered through there. I don't know what I'm trying to say with that, but it's all ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and season it up with a little sweet and spicy here from Uncle Steve's. You know I like my sweet and spicy barbecue. So we're just gonna come through, season all sides, front and back, side to side. You can see that we're going pretty heavy with the seasoning. We're gonna let this kind of chill out, marinate a little bit with the seasoning, and we'll work on our little braising wrap boat, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, we're gonna let those sweat. All right, y'all, we're gonna get these pork belly lollipops wrapped up in tin foil. Now, being that we put these wooden skewers on there, we do not want to pierce the tin foil, right? So as you're wrapping it up, make sure you're cognizant of it. We're going to wrap where you'll see that the skewers are kind of buried on separate of the lollipops, okay? That will hopefully keep us from busting through the paper. So we're gonna line them up. So you see how you'll still have the points over here, but we need to just be careful of them. And it's okay if these are kind of overlapping or sitting on each other or anything like that, because it's all gonna be braising together in that liquid. But again, ultimately be very careful as you're wrapping these things up, okay? All right, we're gonna boat this up a little bit. We got a little Uncle Steve's, the sauce with no name. It's good stuff, y'all. Get a little bit on there. Okay. Then we're gonna add a little chicken broth in there. That'll help us get a nice braising liquid going. Okay. Now we're gonna wrap this up gently, evenly, not pokey through. Again, you want it sealed up as tight as possible, but you also do not want to have any of those skewers poke through. I've also pulled extra tin foil off, just in case. Keep everything nice and tight. And then we're gonna get it on the Foodi Grill. All right, guys, let's go ahead and fire up the Foodi Grill. We're gonna set it to the bake feature down at the bottom here. I'm gonna go 350, so hit that temp, run it to 350. Time, we're gonna go 45 minutes. Hit start, get that preheating done. Once the preheating's done, we'll get our awesome pork belly package on there, and it'll do its thing. Okay, guys. It says to add food. We like to listen to what our foodie tells us to do. Gonna add it in there gently. I have the griddle plate in there to kind of keep it a little level. And we're just gonna shut it down, let it go for the 45 minutes. Bob's your uncle, we're done. Well, we're not done. Then we're gonna sauce it up and then grill it up. All right, it's gonna be good eating, trust me. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we are back. The pork belly has been braised. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. We're gonna do a little temp reading on it with my Cooking with CJ instant read thermometer. My guy over here has got it. Link down below if you wanna get yourself one. But let's get this thing open and we'll carefully pull that out. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull out the griddle plate and put it aside. And since we're gonna use the grill, let's turn it back on. High is fine. We'll get it preheating. And then we're gonna open up our little package here. See our nice little steamed up pork bellies. Let's give it a quick temp read. 182 climbing. All right, cool. Just about where we want them to be. I wanted to take them to about 180, 190, and then when we get them on the grill, they'll finish temping out. Okay. While we're preheating, I want to take these out and get them on a tray or a plate, so I can get rid of the tin foil. These are a little warm, so be careful. Now we're gonna go ahead and sauce these up, get them ready for the grill. Got more of that Uncle Steve's. Handy dandy little squirt bottle here. We're just gonna brush on so we get total coverage. Now this sauce is gonna caramelize on that grill plate. We're not even gonna shut down the grill plate, okay? We're just gonna get these cooking, get those grill marks, get that char on them, make them lovely, tasty, gorgeous. Guys, I'll tell you, these are looking and smelling delicious. All right, y'all, come on back when we're done preheating and we'll start searing these off. All right, come on back. All right, y'all, we're back. We're about to get these awesome lollipops on the grill. Okay, we're saying to add food, so I always listen to the foodie when it tells me to add food. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now we're just gonna lay these crosswise. Hear that sizzle, baby. We may have to do these in little batches. We'll start with 6, so we'll get the other ones on in real quick. Just gonna let these get some contact, a little char. We'll give them a flip, and then we're ready to eat these bad boys. All right, team, we are done. You gotta look at those freaking grill marks, that sear mark right there. Oh, these are gonna be outstanding. Of course, you know, we're done. Turn that off, goodbye. We're gonna go ahead and get these on. A little bed of rice. Look at that. That char is what we're looking for, baby. Pork belly's gonna be nice and tender. Luscious. Guys, these things smell outstanding. Flavor bombs if I ever had one. Oh, that's a good one right there. Look at that. Oh yeah, crispy. All right, guys, not much more to it than that. Takes a little bit of time because of you gotta braise that pork. Of course, you know you gotta have a little greenery on there. Maybe a little too much on that one. Just like that, that's the dish. We gotta take a couple pictures for the gram because it's all about the gram. And then we'll try these bad boys. Okay, team, we're gonna give these a try. Look at the char marks on that bad boy. Oh yeah, not bad. We didn't wait too long to taste test. This is freaking hot, but so damn good. So damn good. Tender, sweet from that barbecue, a little spicy. So good. Listen, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddles, I'll put a link down below. I'll have a link down to Porter Road if you guys want to get some of this pork belly to do this. It's outstanding, trust me on that one, okay? Merch, knives, cutting boards, all that good stuff will all be down below. Make sure you check it out. If you want to become a show producer like all these awesome pork belly loving people right here, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button. Become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube. All right, other than that, we are done. Listen, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.